Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and this video it's gonna be a video about TikTok tutorial, and I would like to show you the way how to activate TikTok screen time updates. So the thing that you have to do, open your TikTok application, and now we need to jump into the profile section. And whenever you are in a profile section, make sure that you are go into these three straight lines right here and just go click settings and privacy. And in this settings and privacy, you just need to like scrolling down until you find this content and display part, and then to go activate your TikTok screen time updates, go into this screen time and it's down here, and you just need to wait. And now you need to take a look on the several options here to get activated the weekly screen time updates. Go click this button, and now your weekly screen time updates on TikTok is already activated, and you will get updated on the durations time that you use for doing or playing TikTok by inbox. So that is the way how to activate the weekly screen time updates on the TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and turn on the notifications button to get notified about new tutorial. See you.